In this video, I'll show you how to approve a cross-post request on your Facebook page step by step. Cross-posting allows eligible pages to share videos with each other after permission has been granted, helping you reach a wider audience without uploading the same video again. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Open Professional Dashboard, Meta Business Suite, or Creator Tools, depending on the tools available for your account. Next, go to the Cross-posting or Video Settings section, where you'll find any pending cross-post requests. If another page has requested permission to cross-post your videos, review the request carefully to confirm it's from a page you trust. Tap the request to view the details, then select Approve or Accept to grant permission. Once approved, the other page can cross-post eligible videos according to the permissions you've allowed. You can return to the same section at any time to review, remove, or manage your cross-posting relationships. If you don't see the cross-posting option, the feature may not be available for your page, or it may need to be managed through Meta Business Suite on a web browser. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.